Hi bunny friends, how are you today? Hope you're doing well. I'm excited to share some new little things for some summer stitching. It is really hot here in Wilmington, North Carolina, and summer is just humid here. So I decided to do something a little different and give you some summer stitching fun. And there's a saying that a lot of my British friends use, and they call things bits, you know, this bits and bits of that and bits of this. So that kind of stuck with me as I'm on my English garden stitching series. So I decided to create some little things for summer, and I'm calling them little bits to stitch. So let me show you what we have here. So you are going to get pre-printed linen with 4 topiary designs on each piece of linen, and then you'll get fusible interfacing. You will get Valdani size 12 pearl cotton and size 7 embroidery needles, as well as instructions with color photos on the back. Okay. So you might be going, well, these are all great and fine, but what do I do with them? So that's where the little bits to stitch comes in, because sometimes it's really fun just to make a small project. And so these little bits to stitch can be made into cards. So I bought these cards. Aren't these fun? I got these at Michael's, and they come with a little frame just like that, and you just slip your piece into it. So this is what they look like. They come at Michael's, or Hobby Lobby probably has them, or Joann Fabrics as well. You can get them there. And I also made these. These are little tags or bookmarks. So you can put your little bits to stitch on these. And then on the back you can write a message, and you can use them to decorate a package with, and then the person can hang them on their inspiration board or design board, or they could use them as a bookmark. So those came, I bought these as well from Michael's, and they're just these little tags like this, super fun and easy. They're racked by Recollections. And so what you'll do is you will do your embroidery stitches, and if you look on my YouTube channel, there are videos on how to do all my favorite stitches that I use. So you can look at those videos and follow along. And so you'll stitch all your little pieces out here on each of your topiaries, and then you'll just cut them to size as to whether you're making a card or the bookmark. And all I put behind here is I had some little script postcard cardstock paper here, and I put that behind. These are some little buttons that I just sewed on, and I used a zigzag stitch to sew around it like that. Super easy. I mean, it doesn't take anything at all. And behind this piece right here is double stick tape. That's how I attached that to there. So I also put a piece of double stick tape behind here before I zigzag stitched to it. And then I put the double stick tape behind that as well. So there's no stitching on this side, just room for that. And then here, all I did was I cut a piece of cardstock down to be the base behind this embroidery piece. And again, I used the double-sided tape. This is acid-free. And I just put a piece of double-sided tape down 3 pieces, attached it to the cardstock, and inserted it in the card. And so there people have a lovely little keepsake from you. And they're super fun. I mean, it didn't take me long at all to do that. And so I hope you enjoy these little bits to stitch. They're in my shop, theraspberryrabbits.com. And I hope you enjoy your little bits to stitch and your summer stitching. Take care. Bye-bye.